guys, our India has a lot of systems of education also, which was followed in the ancient time and also in the 21st centuries. Both are very different from nowadays culture. So today I'm going to explain this both, and also this question is very important question in history. So this question all should at least note down, those who have this is for class 6 ICSC history. So let's get started, and also I am going to explain it today to you all. So the main question is difference between the educational system of the early Vedic civilization and 21st century's educational system. So first only I am telling that my handwriting is very worse, so take out the extra points. If you have this question in your book, take out the extra points, so you all can take the screenshot right now. Next page also I'll show you. So in the ancient time, means the early Vedic civilization, the education in the early Vedic civilization followed the Gurukul system. In that time there were a Gurukul system. They always followed a system which was Gurukul, known as the Gurukul system. Okay, it is also the oldest educational system in India. It is the oldest education system in India, and before that there was no education, and this was the first education process, and it was called also as the Gurukula or Gurukulam. The Gurukul was also called as Gurukula or Gurukulam. It is a type of education system in ancient India with Shishya, students living near or with the Guru in the same house for a period of time. So it was a type of educational system actually, in which the ancient India it was followed with Shishya. Shishya means the students who would learn the things from their Guru, living near or with the Guru. They would live with the Guru or near the Guru, means beside the Guru. They would not stay in their home. They would live with their Guru in the same house for a period of time. They used to live with their Guru in the same house where the Guru lived, means the Gurukul, in the for a short period of time, so they could learn different kinds of things. Okay, so next page you all can take the screenshot. Also no need, don't take the screenshot, understand and then take the screenshots. Where they learn and get educated by their Guru. They used to learn and get educated by their Guru. I have written in very simple words so that if anyone reads can understand easily. Then the next point of early Vedic civilization. They studied primarily religious teachings and traditional scriptures, as well as politics and science. In that time, the Guru used to teach them primarily the religious things, and also there were the practical things for everything. The Guru used to show practical the practical therapy or the practical thing for them. And traditional scriptures means the old scriptures which were written by our ancestors, as well as politics and science. They used to teach politics and also about science. Education was imparted by word of mouth through manuscripts made of palm leaves were used in the later periods. Means education, that time education was taught by the mouth through manuscripts. Also there were old manuscripts which were written by our ancestors, made of palm leaves, which were written on the palm leaves, were used in later periods. They were used in later periods, means ancient India, or the time or the old period of time. There were very less options of studying various subjects in early Vedic civilization. There were very less subjects there were very less options of studying various kinds of subjects. There were only 1 or 2 to 3 subjects. in which there were different kinds of knowledge in it. Okay, now we are going to do 21st century. The education in the 21st century, which is currently followed now, is the modern educational system. The educational system which is followed right now, it is known as the modern educational system. Also, if you all have any doubt, you all can comment in my video. I will surely clear that doubt. So it was developed by the Britishers. It was developed by the Britishers in that time in 1830. Means from 1830 it is still now followed, and the setup was done by Lord Thomas Babington. The setup means how it will be and how the classes will be. It was totally set up by Lord Thomas Babington. If you all can't understand my handwriting, that's why I'm dictating you all. If you can't understand any word, you all could just listen my explanation, and the words I'm repeating out, you all can understand. It has the classroom learning concept in it. It also had the classroom learning concept in it, which are followed right now in the schools. In this system, science and maths was mainly followed. You all know now it's mainly the science and maths are followed. These two are the main subjects followed right now. Also, some subjects like philosophy, ethics, moral values and metaphysics were not taught in the 21st century. These were totally banned in the time of 21st century. Means now these we don't study. Sometimes we study moral values, but these are not now. These kind of subjects are not taught right now. And the education was only in English, and now the education is only in English, not in other languages, and but other languages are also taught in the school. The presence of big buildings for study and an option of studying various subjects. There in this 21st century, we can learn and read and study. Our parents are giving money and we can study in big buildings, and there are many options of studying various kinds of subjects in 21st century. I'm telling this, I have written afterwards, I didn't see. Also during COVID-19, where in the 2020-21, that time online classes were done in 21st century. You all know that 21st century online classes were done. So that's it for today. Bye bye.